What's up, y'all? B16 Marcus here. Alright, just so y'all know, it's almost 10 o'clock at night, but it's gotta get done and I've been putting it off. Basically what we're doing is changing this piece here. The torque strap mount, I believe. So I got a new piece off the junkyard, just gotta loosen this up. I'm gonna put the jack under, because I know this is gonna move a little bit, probably like drop or shake a little bit. But that's what we're gonna do, and then I'll let you know when we're all set up and about to remove this. Alright, peace. Alright, y'all. So, I done got it loose. Just about all of them. I got to put y'all down again for a second. Let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna show you, see if I can show you this new strut mount. It's right there. I can't point at it, but the silver shiny piece, that's a new strut mount. It's a new day, but that last bolt right there, I can't point to it because I only got one arm, but that one was hard to get out, so, but we got it done. Hopefully that solves some engine problem, engine shaking, like the idle, shaking at idle. And that one's not fully on the jack, but that one is. And the jack stand, I got that one on, so we should be good. And yeah, next is the intake, which will go on probably tomorrow. But all right, y'all, be safe. What's going on? I'm test driving now, and I think one of my lights are out. Like, I'm not sure if y'all just saw it flicker, but yeah, it's definitely flickering. Don't mind the squeaking, I know that's my brakes. There's an extra noise that I want to see if was gone, and it is gone. It's like an extra rattle, so that's gone. It was a engine mount apparently, so glad I fixed that. But yeah, one of my lights is going out, so I'm gonna check that out too. But I just want to let y'all know, like, the test ride's going good. See, it keeps doing it. It's kind of annoying. It's always something with this car, but it is what it is. I'm gonna keep pushing. I'll figure that out. I know it's not bolted up properly, so that's probably an easy fix, hopefully, but maybe in another video. But I just want to let y'all know, try all that running and driving again. B16 is back at it. Next is gonna be an intake, like I said, so you know, we'll see how that goes, see the difference. It's not gonna really be pushing much power, but it'll sound better, or it should at least. But all right, hit y'all later. Be safe.